Hi there, my name is Lee Arnold. I'm the broker owner of Benchmark Properties. I want to welcome you today to 4950 Lake Park Court in beautiful Fallbrook, California. I want to take you on a tour of this beautiful home, so come on in and check it out. This beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and both 1610 square feet. The newly remodeled kitchen features quartz countertops, white cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. This home features laminate flooring throughout, solar panels, and a fully fenced backyard. The community of Lake Rancho Viejo features a lake, playground, tennis courts, and community pool. I hope you enjoyed your tour today. If you have any questions about this property or any of the other properties we have available, give us a call at 760-849-4401 or visit us online, Facebook, and Instagram at benchmarksocal.com.